Holy boats!
We're here. We got the brand new Spartan SR, self-riding, and the trailer. So we are going to split these up in two videos and show the trailer being mounted to the truck, the Raptor R, the whole 9 yards. But let's get this boat unboxed first.
Let's do it.
So let's move the trailer and not hit Chris.
Not take me out.
Okay,
I prefer. We need a knife.
We need utensils.
You use. Sydney says I'm not allowed to use knives anymore.
Okay, there you go, Billy.
Oh.
So this is a new Spartan. It's going to be available in 3 colors. So you're going to get this orange, blue, you're going to get green and blue, and you're also going to get red and blue. So for here in Canada, this is going to be our first delivery unit. I don't know, Billy.
Mom, what's going on?
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
There
She's
we
got
go.
some girth to it.
Like I said, there's going to be 3 colors, which those are your 3 colors right there. I do believe this one's a green one.
Boats always have that weird smell.
They honestly
They do. It's something with the plastic or something, you know?
It's oddball. It is really oddball.
It's not bad.
So what we got in the bag, Billy?
We've got our instruction manual, quick start guide, which will come with the exploded view and everything as well in there. And then we've also got a tube of marine grease. We've got our tools, which include some 10 mil wrenches for adjusting the tension on the prop shaft and everything. And then we've also got a nice little boat stand in there as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did all of your other M41s and Spartans come with that big of a tube of marine grease?
It was, yeah, on
Okay.
that side. Yeah.
I kind of figured it did, but I just wanted to verify
Traxxas gives
that.
you plenty. They always recommend before you use the boat, every time, pull that shaft out and re-grease it.
That's correct, and that's where those 2 10 mils are going to come in.
Yes.
And a new thing that's going to be included in this is going to be this little T-wrench here, because now the new canopy hold downs have what looks to be like a 14 millimeter hex
with a notch.
with a notch in it.
Yeah.
It's super weird, super weird. But let's get this boat out.
So that would mean this is clipless.
I guess you could call it
Yeah, it would be
clipless.
clipless.
Yeah, I
If I
guess.
take the lid off this boat and take a look, we got to show you the remote. It does come with the normal Traxxas TQI remote. Now that will come with TSM for this boat too, which is kind of a nice feature if you're kind of new on the water and need some stability. And then it also has the piece in the back so you can put your own Traxxas link in there as well.
Yeah.
So that's pretty nice.
So TQI Bluetooth link is 6511 if you'd like to go with that Bluetooth module. And it's kind of nice. You can update the receiver and the radio and do some other
You can
cool
throw some
features with it.
telemetry in there too and get some motor temps and stuff as well.
Yeah, well, and the nice part is too, you know, you want to run around 6S because that's most power, but you have someone new to the water that wants to play.
Yeah.
Throw the Bluetooth module
that
in
down.
and essentially build training mode into it.
Yeah.
So kind of neat. But Chris, let's get into the boat.
Let's get into the boat. Really nice coloring from Traxxas too on this new stuff.
Yeah, we got the stand built now.
Yep.
Just like every other Spartan stand. Nothing crazy. We also had to take the tool out.
We had to take the tool out to take off this beautiful clipless body top. So it just lines in there. I think it's just a half turn. Seems like it.
And there's 4 now.
There's 4 of them, yeah. So you don't have to worry about it catching the wind like the old Spartan would catch in here, and you'd lose your top sometimes.
Let's see if the half turn method's right. I don't know, Bill. Well, he's struggling with that. Let's just take a peek at this boat here. It's a beauty.
It actually stopped turning. Oh, I didn't know that.
So on the new one, you do get the latch and hook for the trailer. But this is the blue-green, and I really, really like it. It's really, really a nice boat.
It's a nice looking color.
So a little bit different stuff going on here in the back with your trim tabs. And the rudder support's now plastic. A little bit different.
Yeah, so they also have the height adjustment built into it here, so you're not guessing as much with the old adjustment. The one thing that I've seen from videos is just make sure that this is nice and tight before you take it out, because it does have a tendency to come loose, being plastic and not like the old aluminum.
Do you know if that rudder is the same as the old rudder? It is still single pickup.
I believe it's the same rudder, but it is a different mount. The mount is now plastic as well.
Okay, so maybe some of the new dual rudder pickups, say like the hot racing ones, anything like that to keep your boat cool, would probably still be a good idea.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
It should still fit on there from what it looks like.
So now you got this canopy off.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got inside here.
We got a nice little container here.
a
So
cavity.
that's a self-righting cavity.
Yeah. So when this thing flips upside down, it's gonna either fill with air or water, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then that's going to flip the boat
Yep,
over.
yep.
So it's kind of neat. And then when you hit the throttle, all the water is gonna just come out the back.
and the boat's gonna level out.
For sure. Nice new seal too, all the way around.
Yeah, nice foam seal on there.
So it should really help keep the water out of it.
Totally different like interior design now because of this cavity, right? So now our batteries are up in the middle instead of in the old one where they were on the sides.
Correct. And this is two 2S's or two 3S's, so 4S or 6S compatible.
And running the motor this far back, actually, in my opinion, is a little bit nicer. You have much less of a flex shaft in there and less flex shaft issues.
And you still have the good old VXL 6S Castle Marine system.
And we've got a Traxxas 2056 servo in there, waterproof as well. All stainless screws, just like Traxxas boats always come with. No one likes rusty screws out in the water, that's for sure. What else have we got in here? We got the hook, right?
Yeah, I already got the hook.
trailer.
I already got the hook for the trailer.
There's our cool little tabs. It does come with extra tabs in the bag as well as an extra prop. So
For
that's
sure.
pretty nice.
It's a really nice boat.
It's a really nice paint job on these. I really like it.
I think like the biggest thing would be the dual rudder pickup and doing dual water lines. I know you've had a couple of these Spartans, and I mean they're awesome boats, but they do have that underlying heat issue running on a 6S.
M41. They all can benefit from having that dual water pickup for sure.
And what that's going to do is just keep electronics cooler, because how they do it is they route, if you want to pick that up again. So you want to show how they route the water lines?
We've got hot water going through the motor first, whereas on the older Traxxas boats, it went through the speed controller first.
Yeah.
So it is a little bit of a better design, but now you've got all that warm water from the motor going into the speed controller. So now the speed controller isn't really getting cooled off. So with a dual water pickup, you're getting nice cool water into the motor and speed controller separately.
Correct.
Yeah.
Keep it a little bit nicer.
Oh yeah. Much better temperatures overall.
Here we go. So these boats, like I said, are going to be available in those three colors. So our green blue, orange blue, or red blue. They're going to be available here in Canada April 12th to be sold in store, as long with the trailers as well. So they'll be up on the new Ultra RC Hobbies website.
Yep.
So what do you think, Chris? Are you going to pick one up?
I'm gonna pick one up. And I'm gonna get hitched with the trailer too.
You're going to get hitched with the trailer. I like it. I like it. Is this yours, or what color are you going to go
This is
with?
gonna be mine, yeah. This is the one I'm gonna pick up.
If this wasn't the first one you got, what color would you go with out of the three?
The red and blue is kind of nice, but so is the orange. Honestly, they're all really nice colors. I really like the little bits of purple in this color. It kind of changes it a little bit different. It's not just blue and green. You know?
The one thing is, like, the camera almost doesn't pick it up.
It's kind of.
It's kind of like a deep navy
It
blue on the
fades really
camera,
quick,
but it's
yeah.
definitely like a nice purple.
Yeah.
There we go. So now down below in the comments, throw down what color you would pick up between that green blue, orange blue, or red blue. So now we're gonna go unbox the trailer. So be sure to keep an eye out on the Ultra RC Hobbies YouTube channel. We'll be posting a video of that, and we're gonna hook it up to Raptor R and check the fit and finish and show you guys the installation process on that as well. So thank you so much everyone for watching. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. We really do appreciate it. And yeah, thanks Chris for coming on and showing us your new Spartan, Billy.
Sick boat, bro.